This is for the Jamaican them who they are for. Make we talk. Bills. Me know sound head hurt no when I hear that word there. Bills. Make us say it again. Bills. Make we talk about it. You get paid on the first, you broke by the second. That the truth? Right? Rent, or mortgage, car insurance, car payment, what else? Credit card, light, water, phone bill, gas, groceries, plus worse if you have bikini. You know how it go. And no matter how you hustle, it coming like, no matter how you hustle, it's like you can't catch up. Because it's coming like the first of the month come, then the second come, then the other first of the month come. It's like you can't, you not breathe. If you like somebody have their hand around your neck so I not choke you. Because no matter how you try to catch up and say, yes, me pay off this. Here comes another one. Boop in your face. So tell the Jamaican people them say, oh, this is how foreign really is. Because sometimes I'm not telling all that when we there in Jamaica, we are braff out, we look good. Tell all this, some of we are walk up and down like madman and madwoman. Talk the truth. Some of we look like madman and madwoman and go work. Because the bills are stress we out. We need justice, we stress out. And when they say one look at $50 Jamaica, no pay a problem. When they tell us if you pack one barrel, you say, all right, I go pack the barrel. You buy the barrel January, the barrel, you send off until June. Them are cost. Where we get it from? Them barely survive. And every year, rent gone up. Talk about it.